Hi, team. I know that we have a lot going on and we have a busy week up ahead of us, but I wanted to make this video so that I could kind of wrap up our week. And my hope is to do this every week so that we can be prepared for all of our meetings and special guests. So, just FYI for tomorrow, congratulations to all of our team. Russo will get free dress for Tuesday. Wednesday will be Williams, and Thursday will be 7th and 8th grade teams as well. This was as a result of all of the hard work you all have been putting into our lesson planning, being prepared for our O3s, and so forth and so on. So I just wanted to celebrate you all for all the hard work. I hope you enjoy your day of free dress. Tomorrow we have special guests coming from 12 to 3:30, which will be Rona, Eric, and the team. We're just coming by, don't do anything differently. We're coming by just to check in with you all. We as leadership team are being coached on how to push you all and support you all. So you'll see us popping in and out your room. Because of that, Russo will have her O3 tomorrow, and everybody else's will be on Wednesday. Just to give you a little highlight, Russo will be focusing on our pacing and planning. For Williams, we will be focusing on Teaks Unpacked and creating our Teak Bible. And Robinson and Allison will be going over your last two assessments that you had, which was Mid-Module 1 and Mid-Module 0, respectively. So please make sure that you are prepared for your meeting. In addition to that, we are going to be doing some look-throughs, and this was given to us in our weekly targets. The new look for is we still haven't met 100% on our seating chart and tracker, so I'll be coming by and melody checks first thing in the morning for that. And we have added rigorous student CFS to our bucket list. So if you are doing that already, great job. If not, we will be working on that and continuing to build our list for creating solid curriculum. Last but not least, don't forget about your notebook. I have gone over with Allison and Durden how to set up the notebook for the days that we've been meeting. So please check out with one of your teammates for how to set up the notebook and make sure that you are ready to rock and roll for our meeting. Remember, for every meeting, always bring your notebook, bring your something to write with. I'll provide you your notes for that day. And for people who are working on data, please make sure that you have your student data ready to go. And so if you're going to be in a different place other than your space, make sure that you're bringing your student data with you. If you have any questions, just let me know. I look forward to seeing you all this week. Oh, and one last thing. This Friday, we are going to be having our first dance that is going to be sponsored by the leadership team. So please encourage your Kipsters to come out to that. It's going to be exciting. And also, please look out for all the sports that's happening on campus. Make sure that we are celebrating our teams. Kudos to Allison and Durden for shouting out our teammates, even having stats on the board so our teammates could feel like they are celebrated. So, again, I'm out.